Want to take your woodworking projects to the next level? Today, we're showcasing 20 must-have woodworking tools that will make your work faster, safer, and perfectly precise. From small but powerful edge trimmers, versatile clamps, and precision rulers, to essential scrapers and more, everything you need in one video. Watch until the end to find out which tool is perfect for every task and how it can make your projects flawless. Let's dive in and elevate your woodworking game. Looking for a precise and durable edge banding trimmer? Meet the 2025 Nekomoku Mini Edge Band Trimmer. With its upgraded stainless steel blades and thicker cutting edges, it ensures smooth and effortless trimming every time. The professional phenolic board base gives a comfortable, non-slip grip, while the double-sided blades last twice as long. Its V-shaped design keeps your hands safe and prevents damage to your boards. Ideal for cabinets, furniture, countertops, and DIY projects. Backed by a lifetime warranty, it's a must-have for every woodworker. Make woodworking glue-ups easier with the Fikun 13-foot belt band strap clamps. This set includes 4 adjustable clamps, giving you extra stability for large frames, bookshelves, tables, or round projects like pots and ceramics. Each clamp comes with 4 removable corner braces to hold frames at perfect right angles, or use them without braces for irregular shapes. Upgrade your sanding game with the Polywell 5-inch 8-hole interface pad. Designed for 5-inch orbital sanders, each pad features 8 holes to prevent dust buildup, keeping your sander cleaner and extending its life. The hook and loop design makes swapping sanding discs or pads quick and easy. Just stick and go. Made from soft sponge, these pads follow contours effortlessly, reaching edges while minimizing burn marks on your projects. Perfect for uneven surfaces like wooden bowls or detailed woodworking, they provide smooth, professional results. Each pack includes 2 durable pads, giving you reliable performance for all your sanding and polishing tasks. Meet the Premium Woodworking Square Ruler, your all-in-one tool for precise angle measurements. This versatile scribing tool measures and marks angles from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, including preset angles like 22.5 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 75 degrees, with corresponding holes for angle pins. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it's durable, polished for safety, and lightweight for easy handling. Laser-printed scale lines ensure accurate, long-lasting readings. Perfect for woodworking, construction, and engineering, it's portable and comes with angle pins, hex screws, and an Allen wrench. Simplify your projects and achieve professional results with this essential multi-angle measuring tool. Meet the Tuvum Pocket Hole Jig System Kit, your all-in-one solution for precise joinery work. This kit includes an adjustable pocket hole jig, 11-inch C-clamp, step drill bit, depth stop collar, hex wrench, square driver bit, and screws, all neatly packed in a portable case. Made from high-strength hardened steel and durable nylon, it delivers accurate and reliable pocket holes every time. The double chip holes make sawdust removal easy, while the 9-position slider and magnetic clamp ensure effortless setup and secure drilling. Ideal for woodworking projects, this kit makes joinery faster, cleaner, and professional quality. Introducing the Saker Woodworking Scriber Marking Line Ruler, the ultimate tool for precision in woodworking and design. This multifunctional T-square ruler combines a ruler and protractor, letting you measure lengths up to 48 centimeters and angles accurately in one go. Made from durable aluminum alloy, it's lightweight, sturdy, and resistant to wear. The adjustable angle finder allows quick, precise angle marking and straight line drawing, while laser-engraved scales ensure clear readability. Perfect for engineers, carpenters, designers, and artists, it even comes with a mechanical pencil and refills. Make your measurements and drawings faster, easier, and highly accurate with Saker. Upgrade your DIY game with the Leilu 134-piece multi-tool blade kit. This versatile set includes blades for cutting, sanding, scraping, and polishing, all neatly organized in a portable storage bag. CRV Japanese tooth blades handle wood and drywall with precision, while bimetal and titanium-plated blades tackle nails and soft metals. The kit also features hook knives for shingles and carpet, plus scrapers for glue removal. It's a must-have for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Expand your tool versatility and complete every project efficiently with Leilois all-in-one blade kit. Meet the Goldblatt Trim Puller, the ultimate tool for precise and damage-free trim removal. Its wide, flat contact area with a 15-degree wedge center makes removing baseboards, molding, siding, or tiles faster and safer, protecting walls and trim. Made from durable carbon steel and 65 Mn steel with a corrosion-resistant finish, this tool stands up to repeated use. The ergonomic TPR Plus PP handle absorbs impact for comfort during heavy-duty work. Perfect for remodeling, commercial projects, or DIY home improvement. The built-in spring design assists in effortless extraction. Upgrade your woodworking with the WorkPro Bar Clamps 6-pack. This set includes 4 6-inch and 2 12-inch clamps, delivering up to 150 pounds of clamping force. Built with reinforced nylon and hardened steel bars, these clamps are lightweight yet tough enough for heavy-duty use. With a quick change button, they easily transform from clamps to spreaders for added versatility. Non-marring pads protect your workpiece, while the ergonomic handle and quick-release latch ensure comfort and easy adjustments. Perfect for woodworking, crafts, and household repairs, these clamps hold strong and steady. WorkPro gives you the reliable grip every project needs. Unlock precision and power with the 10-piece carbide burst set, compatible with Dremel and most rotary tools. Each bit features ultra-sharp, double-cut tungsten carbide for faster material removal and smooth control, perfect for detail work in tight spaces. Whether carving, grinding, cutting, polishing, or engraving, these burrs handle metal, wood, stone, steel, and more with ease. Designed for high-speed rotary tools, they deliver professional results on every project. Build projects faster and smarter with the Kreg Pocket Hole Jig 310. Perfect for beginners and pros. This portable jig works with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, giving you the versatility to build furniture, cabinets, and DIY projects with ease. Its hardened steel drill guide and thickness stops ensure perfectly placed pocket holes every time, while the anti-slip base keeps it steady during drilling. Setup is foolproof with the included thickness gauge, easy set drill bit, and stop collar. Backed by durable construction and a lifetime drill guide warranty, the Kreg 310 is your go-to pocket hole solution. Stay safe and precise with the push block, designed for table saws, router tables, band saws, and jointers. Featuring multi-directional force control with a strong non-slip base, it grips your workpiece firmly, reduces kickback, and keeps your hands protected while cutting. Easy to assemble, just attach the handle and side parts. It's ready in seconds. With its fully adjustable sliding design, you can make precision rip cuts as narrow as 1/4 inch with confidence. Compatible with most woodworking accessories, this push block is versatile, durable, and easy to clean. A must-have tool for every woodworker who values safety and accuracy. Cut perfect thin strips every time with the Going Make Thin Rip Jig. Designed for table saws, band saws, and router tables, this jig fits March 8th x March 4th T-slots and easily locks in front of your blade for accurate, repeatable cuts. With a one-way roller bearing, it ensures smooth forward movement and prevents dangerous kickback, keeping your work safe and precise. Laser-engraved and inch scales let you cut strips as thin as 1/32 consistently. Built from high-quality metal, it's durable and reliable for long-term use. A must-have accessory for woodworkers who want speed, safety, and precision in thin ripping. Get perfect accuracy every time with this 4-piece machinist square set, including 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, and 6-inch squares. These precision tools are essential for engineers, machinists, and woodworkers who demand flawless 90-degree measurements. Crafted from high-quality steel with a smooth, polished surface, each square provides stability, durability, and long-lasting performance. Discover the Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Tool, your ultimate DIY companion. This compact, lightweight rotary tool comes with 69 versatile accessories for sanding, polishing, engraving, drilling, and more. With 5 adjustable speeds from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, it gives you precise control for every project. Its USB rechargeable 3.7V battery provides up to 200 minutes of continuous use, while the LED indicator ensures you never miss a detail. Perfect for resin crafts, woodworking, or fun DIY projects with family, it's beginner-friendly with complete guides and tutorials. Compact, versatile, and powerful, Hardell makes DIY easier and more enjoyable than ever. Take your drilling accuracy to the next level with the Milescraft 1312 drill block. This handheld drilling guide makes precision drilling simple and reliable. It features hardened steel guides for 6 of the most common drill bit sizes: 1/8, 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, 3/8, and 1/2. Built-in vertical and horizontal center lines ensure perfect alignment every time, while non-slip feet keep it steady without scratching your work surface. Plus, the V-groove design lets you drill easily on round stock or corners. Compact, durable, and easy to use. Meet the Nyko 02638A Automatic Center Punch, the must-have tool for precision marking. This 5-inch spring-loaded punch works on metal, wood, plastic. With an adjustable impact stroke, you can set the perfect force for any project. Its non-slip grip and precision-centered tip ensure accurate hole marking every time. Just press down, and it does the work for you. Achieve flawlessly smooth wood surfaces with the Fulton Cabinet Scraper Burnisher and 6-piece wood scraper set. This high-carbon steel burnisher creates sharp burrs on flat, curved, or beveled scrapers, giving you clean, precise cuts every time. The set includes 3 rectangular scrapers, plus beveled, curved, convex, and concave. Upgrade your metalworking and woodworking toolkit with the Rex Beatty 25-piece metal file set. Crafted from premium T12 drop-forged alloy steel, each large and needle file is durable, sharp, and designed for long-lasting performance. The set includes 4 large files: flat, triangle, half-round, and round, plus 12 precision needle files, 6 sandpapers, a metal brush, and a pair of working gloves. Everything comes neatly organized in a compact, rugged carry case for easy storage and portability. With long, comfortable rubber handles, this set ensures hours of precise filing, sanding, and shaping. Perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Achieve precise measurements with the Square Combination Woodworking Tools set. This set includes a 7-inch carpenter square, a 12-inch square ruler, a protractor angle ruler, and a small bubble level, perfect for woodworking, carpentry, and DIY projects. Crafted from durable aluminum zinc alloy, these tools are lightweight, yet sturdy for long-lasting use. Clear metric and SAE markings ensure accurate measurements, while the secure grip design and locking mechanism provide stability during work. Ideal for straight-edge measuring, angle verification, and layout tasks. This portable combination set is a must-have for any woodworking enthusiast or professional seeking precision and reliability.